Hey, this is ProManStyle. Please give me a follow on Instagram as well as YouTube if you like the content. My channel is all about styling Air Jordan with high fashion. I wasn't really into sneaker game until very recently. I was a huge Michael Jordan fan growing up, and also I owned a couple pairs of Air Jordans, but I eventually grew out of it when I was in college. But last year, my son was born, and I wanted to get him some toddler shoes, and I thought Jordan Brand was a good choice. So I was looking at toddler shoes, but at the same time, I started looking at some men's shoes. And next thing I know it, I was getting both my son and myself a pair, so that we can do father and son looks. So I was collecting Jordans. At the same time, I started watching some of the sneaker channels on YouTube and found very useful review videos, box opening videos, launching day information videos, and etc. But didn't find that many videos that focus on how to style rest of your outfit that will go well with your kicks. I found this very strange because what's the point of having a very dope pair of sneakers if you're not gonna rock them, or if you don't know how to put on the proper outfit that would make you stylish along with your sneakers. I wanted to create a content relating to this, but at the same time I do want to review sneakers. So if you're interested, you can go on over to my Instagram page at ProManStyle and find this Air Jordan 3 True Blue feed. Very first one of that feed will have the detailed breakdown review of the sneakers, or you can search it by hashtag Air Jordan review and find this picture of Air Jordan 3 True Blue. So moving on to the outfit, when I'm wearing my Air Jordans, I always think about which particular Air Jordan I'll be wearing and then decide on the rest of the outfits. So in this case, I'm wearing Air Jordan 3 True Blue, which is predominantly white leather upper with blue and red accents. So I wanted to wear an outfit that is simple and elegant, just like the design language of Air Jordan 3. So I decided on this predominantly blue outfit. And the benefit of wearing a neutral color clothing like this, as opposed to something that is very loud or something that is very colorful with big logos, is that I'm able to draw more attention to my white sneakers. And that is something I want to do when I'm wearing my Jordans. So for the upper, I'm wearing this navy blue hoodie from Reigning Champ. It is 100% cotton jersey, so it is very soft and thin. So although it is long sleeves, I do find it okay to be wearing during summer. And then also I don't particularly love wearing short sleeves outdoor in the sun, even if it's very hot. And for the pants, I'm wearing this Balmain jeans. This is actually my favorite blue jeans these days. I mean, just look at the fit, the fade, the detail, the distress, and just overall style of the jeans. It's just very premium material, premium style throughout, and I just love that. And for the record, I don't particularly like too much distress on my denims, but these pair definitely has some distress, but it's not too much, which I appreciate. And this is the back side of the hoodie. It's definitely very comfortable, but one downside of this cotton hoodie is that because it's 100% cotton, when I start sweating, it will make watermarks, which I don't really appreciate too much. But other than that, it's a perfect hoodie to wear for summer, I think. So to give a better look of my overall style, I took my camera outdoors, and here is my overall style, along with the on-field look of my Air Jordan 3. It's definitely a clean style that anyone can rock every day. And I love the ribbed detail above the knees on my Balmain jeans. I'm not sure if they're the first designer to introduce that design, but I know it is their signature design for their biker jeans, and I know they're the ones who made this popular, and a lot of other designers have followed it. But it's definitely a dope pair of jeans that go extremely well with Air Jordan 3 in my opinion. Another thing that I want to add is that if you are a teenager or in your 20s, it doesn't matter what you wear with your Air Jordan for lifestyle, because you look pretty good in it anyway. But when you're in your 30s, and for my case, I'm in my late 30s, and come on, I have a kid. If I just wear Air Jordan outside with anything, it's just not gonna work, and it's gonna look sloppy. So I find it more challenging to dress up so that I'll look good with my Air Jordans, and that will be the constant struggle that I'll be aiming to do on my channel. So please look out for more videos. Thanks for watching.